This is Nikki in Niagara, coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And today we are going to unbox the well-inked quarterly subscription box. This is a Canadian subscription box, and it is aimed at artists and journalers. From what I can tell, it's not like an art box. It's more of like a drawing and sketching and writing and journaling. And from the videos that I've watched, they seem to try and alternate between sketchers and drawers and journalers, so that it kind of gets a box will have a certain focus. I really like the way the boxes that I've seen have been curated. I have already seen this box unboxed, so I know what's in here except for like colors. So I am excited to have finally got my first box, and let's open it up and see what is in here. So every box comes with a postcard with a quote on it, and this says, "I have no special talent, I am only passionately curious." And that's by Einstein. On the back, it gives us a list of the things that are in the box. And I believe we get, I don't know, I'm going to say 4 to 6 items in the box, and they're all proper size, no samples. So the first thing that we get here is a pencil case from Blue Q Bags, and I have one of, not this one, I have one of Blue Q's. Sorry, staying on film here, maybe I need to, a little bit, there we go, now I'm more centered. So yeah, I have a big case by them, which I really like, and they're really sturdy. They're made out of 100% recycled, 95% recycled material. I believe they use plastics. And so these are really sturdy, and of course this is very appropriate for collector of art supplies. Feed your creative juices. I love the primary colors of that and the mid-modern type of graphics on there. So yeah, that's nice. I like that. So everybody I've seen unboxed got the same one, so I think we all got the same. Then the next thing that we get is a couple of Pigma pens. We have got the Pigma Micron 005. I don't think everybody got the same points. Now I do have this already, but I can always use another black fine liner, and here's mine. I have this is mine. That's a 0.05, and I really like the fine line. So we'll be doing some testing out on my tester page here. And so this is a black Micron 005. Get it opened. I think there's only one smaller than this, and that's the 001. I do have an 001 fine liner, but it's not in a micron, so I'm not sure if microns go that small. Okay, so your standard micron, and you're not going to be able to see this nib, but I will give you as close a look as I can. It's very tiny. So let's write down You can get a lot of writing in with an 005. So yes, never have too many of those. Then the second one is actually one that I don't have, and this is the graphic. It is a bullet nib, and it is a 1. And so that will be quite a large nib. So let's see. Archival ink. Waterproof, fade-proof lines. Okay. It has exactly the same properties as the Micron. Whoa. Big. So we won't get as much on here. So this is called the graphic. I don't think I've ever seen these. So yeah. And it's it gives the same kind of width all the way through. So that's the graphic. Very nice, bold line. Bold, thick lines for illustration, journals, manga art, and notes. The other one, the Micron, says it's ideal for sketching, inking, illustration, and Zentangles. Alright, so now, next thing in here is 2 items from another brand that I really like. Now, we have Ecoline, and we got a liquid watercolor, and we got a watercolor brush. Now, I have both of these, but I do not have these colors. Where are my liquid? There's my Ecolines. More than I thought. Let's see, which one did I get? 548. Oh, I do have this color. Oh, that's all right. What's it called? These don't have names on them? Okay, number 548 is a purple. So I do have this color already. These are great though. Can't complain about them. And the next one is, let's see, these have a name. I don't know if I have this one. Where are my Ecolines? Oh, no, that's not the same. That's a darker pink. Woohoo! Yes, I don't have this. So this is the one that they sent me. It is called Red Violet. This is the one I already have, magenta. So I'll put that one back. I have several others of these. I really like them. Now I'm not a brush hand writer, so you're not going to get any of that fancy stuff from me. We'll just write properly. So this is Ecoline. Ecoline brush in red. In Red Violet. And these are good for coloring too. You can also use them as watercolors by using a paintbrush. Okay, so now let's take a look at the purple color that we have here. I will just grab a, what the heck is that brush doing in there? I am going to grab a, where are my brushes? Here we are. Just a little paintbrush. And dip that in there. And we can do, I need more. Can you see? Yeah. Let me move up on screen a little bit better. So there we go. You can paint with this. Nice dark watercolor. And if you add water to it, I got some water here, you get a water color. I'm just playing now. Doing nothing of any interest. Okay, so that's what comes in the well-inked box. And this is a quarterly box and it costs 25 Canadian dollars. So we got two Micron, sorry, not Micron, two Pigma products, two Ecoline products, and here in Canada these are quite expensive. And then we got to the blue, I always want to say cubed, but it's blue Q bag, and this is a Canadian company as well. Where are they from? Does it say? Oh no, it's not a. Well, I always thought that this was a Canadian company. It's not. It's from Pittsfield, Mass, USA. Well, there you go. Okay, so I am happy with that and looking forward to seeing what the next box is, and I will not look before I get it. So I will be avoiding all unboxings until I've seen mine. So thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed seeing these supplies. And so in the meantime, until next time, bye-bye!